The biggest misconception about FHA loans. I hear this all the time, and every time someone says it, I go, what? Why do you think that? What is wrong with you? And I probably shouldn't say it like that. I should be a little bit more, tender, but it's not really my personality. So what do people say to me where I go, oh my God, you're just so wrong about it? Okay. So I was talking to someone today about FHA, and I was like, look, we really need to talk about FHA loans more. They're a great loan. They serve a lot of purposes, and they're easy. And the person said to me, they said, well, what about all the inspections you have to do with FHA? And I went, whoa, no. That is the biggest misconception, about FHA loans. People think that if you're doing an FHA mortgage, there's all these extra requirements. For years, I've had real estate agents come to me and be like, well, with FHA, you have to do a pest report, right? No. Well, with FHA, you got to do a home inspection, right? No. So here's the deal with FHA. Are there additional reports required? No, there's not. However, they go, okay, well, if there's no reports, it's because the FHA appraisers are so difficult. They're really not. So here's the deal. With FHA, just like with a conventional mortgage, the house has to be in average or better condition, okay? That's the basis. So the house has to be in average or better condition. Now, on top of that, the house has to have a working stove. Oh my God, can you guys imagine a house with a working stove? How will we find one of those? And ability to maintain heat 55 degrees and above. Okay, that's conventional too. Conventional also requires that you have a working heat source, so there's no real shocker there, okay? And then the appraiser does make sure they turn on the water to make sure there's water. Oh my gosh, so a house with a stove, water, and that has a heater? How will we ever find one of those? Right? I mean, that's the thing that's so silly about this. It's not a big deal at all. But FHA back in the day was one of these niche-y loans that only certain lenders did, and other lenders didn't know how to do them. And I do think we're about to hit that again. I think FHA is going to be really big in the next 5 years, and there's so many newer lenders that have never done it. So they're going to be like, oh, those aren't good loans. I don't know those loans. Those loans are bad. That's why I don't know them. And it's like, no, they're great loans. So really important, whether you're a real estate agent or buyer, there's no secret FHA inspections needed. So do not be dissuaded from using FHA. It is an excellent way to get into the market. I'm going to be doing FHA Fridays for the next few months because I think it's a really important loan to talk about, and I think it's something that's really going to help people get into houses over the next 3 to 4 months. So questions, comments, as always, I'm a mortgage lender licensed in 48 states, and I am happy to help you. So if you want to get qualified for FHA or conventional, please reach out. I am here for you.